Hi, I'm Suzanne Michal. I'm a holistic therapist. I work with people's energy and emotional patterns, and I'm a soul plan reading practitioner. And I have created a monthly connecting circle as it is nearly 1 year now that we are in this situation of lockdown and social distancing and living lives which are out of our normal and natural way of connecting with each other. So, in my connecting circle, I invite you to not just connect with others, of course, but it's really about reconnecting about your inner self, your heart, your breathing, your body, your chi, your energy, then your higher self, then consciousness, higher levels of consciousness, Mother Nature, Mother Earth. And this is very transformative, and every time I run a circle I am amazed at what happens, because not only there is no coincidence to who attends, and there is always a synergy between who attends and what happens. And when people together put their focus, put their intention, shifts happen. So it doesn't matter whether you are in England, in South Africa, in the States, in Germany, in France. Please do join, because miracles are happening here, and it is very important, I think, to stay connected with really what matters and your inner reality, as right now the outer reality is shifting so much. So see you then. Look down for the information and book, and see you then. Bye.